So many people have told me they find history boring, and that is the reason why they don't come on heritage walks and food walks. So to make history interesting, we calibrated and said, what can we do that makes history more fun? So we have introduced Heritage Hunt. It is similar to your scavenger hunt, your treasure hunts, but it's all about heritage. It's about you playing on your phone, completely backed with technology. You get clues, you get hints, and what you have to collect are your diamonds. And the team with the highest diamonds and the fastest team wins the game. So today we are at Old Fort, Purana Killa, playing the Heritage Hunt. We have many teams here, completely excited about it, enjoying themselves, and we look forward to having many more of you join us. So come and register and join us for the next Heritage Hunt.